Okay, I'm going to cut some 1/2-inch plate, and I'm going to do something with it. I'm going to crank this up all the way, and then stick weld with some 7018 5/32, which is probably a 1.5 years old. It's probably got moisture in it. But I ran this maxed out the other night for a little bit, and man, it was scary. It sounded like somebody getting electrocuted. You could actually hear the frequency almost. You know, you get that humming sound. So I'll be cutting with my my Warfox, which you can't even find online. It's a Amazon special plasma cutter. You got to be careful with this. Cut 50 DP. You can't even find that online anymore. I don't know. I guess they marketed a whole bunch of them and then they just disappeared. I can't find it online anymore. But I got it, and I have to be careful because the first time, a couple times I used it, I dropped hot slag on it, on the bleed, burning holes in it, cutting this 1/2-inch plate. And I didn't know what the hell I was doing, but now I know enough not to have anything underneath my cut, even on the floor, because it'll melt it. So I'll cut a couple pieces of this 1/2-inch plate, and I'll see if I could do we can weld them together again. I don't know why it does that. Probably consumables need to be changed. One piece. Why I'm jerking around. Too much coffee today, I guess. That's enough of that. Let me clean it up. It cuts, but it does leave slag. I guess on the cut here. Yep, yeah. Gotta clean up. 1/2 inch is a little too much for it. hand is like I've had too much coffee today. Where am I? Here I am. It does cut. 1/2 inch. These are my practice speeds from last year. I found these plates on a construction site last year. I won't tell you where, but they were just cut-offs from circles they left there. All right. They're gonna be still hot. Put this back over to the side and set up to weld. Okay, are we ready? I got my leads for my yes welder on here on my adapters. Because they're a bunch heavier. I got this thing cranked all the way up. I got my specimen here, ready to go. I got an 1/8 inch gap. And I'm going to put my filter on this camera and let's see what happens.